The camp of religious group leader Apollo Quiboloy has relinquished ownership of several firearms. 5 firearms belonging to Quiboloy have been handed over to the Regional Civil Security Unit of Police Regional Office 11. According to Philippine National Police Chief Police Gen Romel Francisco Marbil, the surrendered firearms include 1 long firearm and 4 short firearms. The PNP remains hopeful that Quiboloy will surrender the remaining 14 firearms still in his possession.
It was surrendered to our regional civil security unit po ng PRO 11 po. Davao po.
Kailan, sir?
This morning po, implemented po yung ng notice po natin to surrender firearms and they gave it po ng umaga po. In-expect po natin, talagang we need to get all the firearms and we will, dapat si Pastor Quiboloy will also surrender. Meron tayong batas pinatutupad.
This surrender of weapons follows the PNP's decision to revoke Quiboloy's license to own and possess firearms, as well as the registration of said firearms. General Marbil further stated that authorities continue to conduct a relentless manhunt operation against Quiboloy.
Hindi po huminto yan. And we will show you talagang the PNP and all law enforcement, including the NBI, tuloy-tuloy po yung effort namin to locate po dun si Pastor Quiboloy.
Quiboloy is wanted for various charges, including sexual and child abuse, as well as qualified human trafficking.